Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. Today in this video I am sharing a new recruitment for the electrical and civil candidates. This is a government recruitment. GETCO invites application for the post of Vidyut Sahayak Junior Engineer Electrical and Civil candidates. GETCO Gujarat Energy Transmission Corporation Limited. Okay, so you need to apply from here, but the link is not active yet. It will be active on 18 June 2021. Today is 12th June 2021. So 6 days, after 6 days it will get activated. On 18 June it will be activated, then you can apply. But before that we will check the eligibility criteria. I have clicked here view advertisement. Okay, so it is already opened. I have already opened that application for the post of Vidyut Sahayak Junior Engineer Electrical and Civil candidates. Okay, so job title and educational qualification: Vidyut Sahayak Junior Engineer Electrical and Vidyut Sahayak Junior Engineer Civil. So for the electrical, BE Electrical, BTech Electrical, BE Electronics and Electrical and Electronics, BTech Electrical and Electronic candidate can apply. Okay, with full-time regular course from only from recognized university with minimum 55% aggregate marks of 7th and 8th semester. Exam passed at first trial without ATKT. Okay, then Vidyut Sahayak Junior Engineer Civil, BE BTech Civil candidate can apply from the recognized university, full-time course, minimum 55% aggregate marks of 7th and 8th semester. Exam should be passed at first trial without ATKT. The knowledge of computer operation and good command over English and Gujarati language is essential. Okay, suppose if you don't know Gujarati language, no worry about that. If you know only English language, that is also fine. If you know both languages, that is good. Okay, then age criteria, upper age limit as on date of issuance of advertisement 10 June 2021. Category of candidate, unreserved category, you are 35, upper age limit 35 years. Okay, and then reserved category including ex-servicemen, then scheduled caste, SC ST, then SEBC, EWS, economically weaker section, then up to 40 years candidate can apply. Age relaxation in upper age limit to other categories shall be under. You can check here category of candidate and relaxation. Female candidate 5 year, PWD candidate 10 year, and dependent of retired employee of GETCO up to age of 40 years. Okay, then maximum age relaxation in upper age limit shall be considered up to the age of 45 years. Okay, the above age criteria are as per the Yuva Swalamban scheme of the government of Gujarat. Okay, suitable disability for PWD category candidates, Vidyut Sahayak Junior Engineer Electrical, PW category. Okay, so HS 40 to 70%. Then they have mentioned here. Please read at least once. You can find the full form of this here. Hard of hearing, OA is one arm, OL is one leg. Okay, then leprosy cured, then acid attack victim, all these things they have mentioned here. Then period of engagement and scope of career development and prospects. Okay, they will the selected candidates shall be appointed initially for a period of 5 years as Vidyut Sahayak Junior Engineer and may be considered for appointment to the post of junior engineer on regular establishment in the pay scale of 45,400 to 1 lakh 12,000 uh, 1 lakh 1,200 subject satisfactory completion of 5 years as with the Sahayak Junior Engineer. And this post as a junior engineer, they will give you the enhanced salary 45,400. Okay, then fixed remuneration per month. First year they will provide you 37,000 per month, second year 39,000, third year 39,000, fourth year also 39,000, fifth year also 39,000. Okay, in your total salary will be 45,000, but it deduct the some tax, HRA, DA, all those things. In hand you will get 39,000. No other allowance and benefits would be admissible. Reimbursement of TA, as I said, reimbursement of TA, DA as per this. Okay, though vacancies at present there are 300 clear vacancies in the category of VSJE, Vidyut Sahayak Junior Engineer Electrical, and 52 clear vacancies in the category of civil. Okay, so 52,000 vacancies for civil candidate, 300 for electrical candidates, and as per category wise they have divided the vacancies. For SC category, male candidate 8 vacancies, female candidate 4. Okay, so like that. Then the vacancies as per the roster may vary depending upon the actual requirement. Okay, so then for person with a disability category candidates, if category wise candidates are not available, then PWD candidate can be filled by interchangeability from available PWD candidate as per merit. Candidate having minimum 40% disability shall be only considered in the PWD category stated above as per rules. Okay, then application fees, this is non-refundable fees. URS, EBC and EWS candidate 500 fees will be there, and SC/ST candidate 250 fees will be there. Okay, so if PWD candidate belong to SC or ST category and fulfill the criteria, fees shall be 250. Okay, so they are mentioned here. Then how to send or how to apply for this uh, vacancy, they have provided some general terms and condition. Candidate are required to submit online application only compulsory through this website. Okay, the candidates, the as I said earlier that the link is not activate. Once link get active, then you can apply. The candidate shall have to generate registration ID online by filling up the online application form. The candidate should return the printout a registration form, and the same shall be required at all the stages during the process. There will be one unique registration ID. You should keep for your reference, and for the communication purpose it will be helpful. The candidates shortlisted for online test on the basis of their online application are not required to submit any document certificate at present. Okay, then mere submission of application does not guarantee the adequacy of candidature for being considered for further selection process. So they have mentioned here the link for the online application will be put up on the GETCO website on 18 June, and the link will remain open for 21 days from the date of opening the link. Okay, the candidate are requested to regularly check the GETCO website for update. And result, the exam will be conducted by online mode by only considering the number of candidates registered. The details of the syllabus for online exam is given in clause C. Okay, the question paper for online exam shall be consisting 100 multiple choice questions, and the paper shall be for 100 marks. Okay, 100 question, 100 marks. There shall be negative marking system. Okay, there is negative marking. 1/4 mark for each wrong answer shall be deducted to arrive at total marks scored. The question paper will be in English language only. Okay, if applicants are received in a large number, the examination will be held in multiple batches or sessions, and candidate scores shall be normalized as per normalization formula given here with on the last page. Okay, after completion of online exam, the provisional answer key will be published. The candidates can view provisional answer key. In case of any objection, the same can be raised on the payment of fees. Okay, they will provide you provisional answer key so that you can re-verify your answer. The objection so received, at that once they provide provisional answer key, they don't provide your actual answer key. Okay, so syllabus for online exam, uh, VJSE Vidyut Sahayak Junior Electrical, this is the syllabus, and this is for civil candidates. Section 1 general knowledge, common for all. Section 2 is common for electrical and civil, English and English knowledge. Electrical engineering, then civil engineering. Section 3. Section 4 computer knowledge. Section 4 computer knowledge. Then section 5 Gujarati language and grammar. Then section 5 Gujarati and grammar. Okay, so total 100 marks exam will be there, and they will cover these topics. Okay, so pause this video and take this, otherwise I will provide this link in the description box below as well. Okay, so the question paper will be in English language only. So all these things they have mentioned here. So please guys, those candidates belong to BTech, electrical, uh, civil candidates, please apply for this position. This is a very good opportunity. If you face any technical issue, then you should mail on this number. Okay, so I will provide this link in the description box below. You can, this document will be required once you get selected. Okay, after online exam, you need to select this all these document. So guys, please apply for this position, and share this video with your friends as well, so that they will also apply. Okay, and thanks for watching this video.